Hey yo, what is up? It is me, Rahina, and welcome to my channel. So, although my camera is broken, like I said in like 2 videos ago, I guess, I can still use it. So if like the angles are a little off, or I'm trying to like kind of see a little bit in the viewfinder, although it's broken, sorry about that. And if it goes out of focus and I don't notice, sorry about that. But I've been waiting to do this video for a really long time. As you can see, my hair is not looking the greatest right now. So today's video is a wash day tutorial vlog type video. So you, ooh, how that hurt. So you can see, why am I like this? Okay, so you can see how I wash my hair and how I do it. Because I had no academics or no arts today, so I thought I was gonna film it later, but I was like, let's film it now. Yeah, see, that's how dirty my hair is because it's that itchy. But, oh, and it's crusty. So we're gonna wash my hair today. First I gotta change into like a bathing suit so that I could show y'all. But yeah, let's get into the video. This is so cringy. Oh well. Bye. Here's the current state of my hair. Very dry, very brittle, very crusty. No curl to it. Very not good. Now let's go in the shower and fix that. The first thing I'm going to use is the Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse to wash out all the gunk from my hair. Okay, I'm out of the shower and I know my camera got super foggy doing that, so I hope I really got some good clips. But yeah, time to go to my room and finish up my hair. Hey y'all, I'm back. So basically, oh sorry. Basically, I'm on FaceTime with my friends and they're playing Among Us, but I want to finish filming this video, so there might be like a slight noise in the background, but I gotta stay caught up, you know, and drinking my water. Give me 1 second, I'll be back. Okay. So now to put stuff in my hair. Okay. Where's my part? I usually always have like a parting comb, like a red tail comb. But right now it's in the bathroom and I don't feel like grabbing it. So I'm gonna use a pencil real quick. Okay, that's the best I'm gonna get, but the first thing I want to do is go in with a little leave-in conditioner before my hair gets dry. I'm making sure my friends can't see me doing this. Okay. Okay, and then I'm just gonna brush through my whole head. And then I'm just gonna go through my middle part with the Camille Rose Growth Serum. And this is the part I need my mirror really for. I don't want to block y'all's video though. Okay. If my viewfinder wasn't broken, I could do this fine.
Oh no, red is right there. Red is right there. You can't kill him.
Yeah, they've got it. They've got it. They've got it. They've got it.
And then I'm just gonna massage it into my scalp a little. Okay. Now that that's done, I'm going to tie up one side of my hair. So basically how I do my hair is I section it off, put product, and then finish, you know? No, you don't, because you don't know how to wash my hair. But let's not talk about how I look right now. But then I'm going to go in with the Multicultural Curls. Miss Jessie. Take like that much product. It's not too much, but like it's enough. Because I have thick hair. And then I'm just going to go through all of it. And then I'm going to go back in with the Camille Rose and get like just a tad bit more growth oil in the spots that I missed. Okay. And lastly, I'm just going to brush through the whole thing. And does it actually look good though? Yeah, that's fine. Oh, I need to add a little more to the ends because these ends are looking a little scraggly. So I need some help. Let's add some leave-in conditioner. They feel a little deprived of their moisture. Okay. And just give it a little scrunchy scrunch up. Make sure the curl form is going to form later actually. Okay. There, that's good. And then I'm just gonna go through my whole head and do that. So I'm gonna do the other side off camera and let it, and then show you before it all dries, and then show you the final product. Okay, so I'm done with my whole hair. These parts of my hair are really short because I cut bangs on myself, so I'm sorry about that. And this is not my best job, but then again, it's just a wash day, not a styling day. So I'm just gonna let it dry and I'll show y'all the final reveal. It's probably gonna be like one of those dream straws where like but with my hair. So yeah, it's like the whole head. You can see this side has dried more than this side because I just did this one real quick. But I'm just gonna let it dry and show y'all the finished product. See y'all then. My hair could be like a little more dry. It will probably get dry later. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you like this video. And if you want to see more hair like videos, comment down below. And yeah, let's get me to 1,000 subscribers. And watch the video all the way through, please. And thank you.